Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a beautiful 8.5 by 28 Wells cargo we have in stock. This one again is a 2019 Wells Cargo Road Force, which is one of their upgraded heavier duty models. This one again is an 8.5 by 28 in a two-tone. This is a pewter front with a black back. You've got the polished aluminum strip in between the two, and it is a gorgeous trailer in person. Nice heavy duty extended triple tube tongue that's going to give you guys a great turning radius with this unit because you've got a nice big long tongue here. Takes that trailer, pushes it away from your vehicle so you guys can turn tighter and sharper. You do have the diamond plate rock guard along the bottom, nice polished aluminum corners as well as a rounded upper cap, and then you've got the really nice stripe here in the front too. Kind of dresses it up and makes it nice. This one's stock number 14707. Side door is a big, huge 48-inch side door. It does have the RV style lock on it, so you guys have a lock-a-latch and a set of keys with that. Two 6,000-pound axles with brakes. These are 16-inch tires, aluminum wheels, radial tires, and you've got a nice setup there. Also, you've got the nice big plated drop down rear stabilizer jacks here at the back, and rear ramp door with a spring assist close, so it's easy to open and close this rear ramp door. This one is set up for cars, so you do have a transition flap here at the end to help with the angle and brake coming into the trailer. You also have a 3-inch dovetail here at the back as well, so the rear deck drops down a little bit, and again, that's just to give you guys a nice easy angle when you're coming in and out of here with a vehicle. I'm going to swing around to this side really quick, then we'll go on the interior. You do have a side escape door with an RV lock on this side as well. And then on the interior, we've got the awesome Nudo floor with Drymax, which is this product right here. Very durable black surface here on top. Underneath is Drymax, which does not absorb any water or moisture, and that's on the underneath side of the trailer as well. So great upgrade there. And then we've got 4 D-rings in the floor. 2 here, 2 more kind of 3/4 of the way in, so it's set up perfectly for a car. You do have a 7'6" interior height, about 7'3" at the rear door here, and then you've got the nice white vinyl wall and ceiling liner, so it's nice and bright and clean. Overhead LED lights, couple of roof vents overhead as well. There's a better look at that escape door there. Then there's those 2 more D-rings. These are moved back, so more in line where you're going to need them for the car in this big of a trailer. Interior step coming in and out. Backside of that RV lock gives you guys this right here, a lock-a-latch and a set of keys. This toggle switch is going to turn on your LED overhead puck lights. And then I'm going to spin around here. Give you guys a good shot this way. We also have a rear load light up here, which is very cool. That's what this is. And then the toggle switch for that is right there next to that ramp door, so you guys can easily get light on and off on the trailer. This unit was at $17,977 plus tax, and we've got it on sale right now at $16,977 plus tax. And as always, we'd love to earn your business. If you're in the market for a new trailer, give us a call, 303-688-8485. Check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state, and if you guys don't live near us, no worries, we ship all the time. Give us a call, we'll get you guys a shipping quote as well and get you your trailer. So again, 303-688-8485 or coloradotrailersinc.com.